Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the incredible effects that running for just 30 minutes a day can have on your body and mind. So lace up those sneakers and let's hit the pavement. Running is a journey that transforms your body and mind, making it more than just a workout regimen. The advantages of 30 minutes a day of science-backed jogging will be discussed in this video. First up, let's talk about your heart. When you run, your heart works harder to pump oxygen-rich blood to your muscles, improving cardiovascular health. Over time, this can reduce your risk of heart disease, lower your blood pressure, and increase your overall endurance. By committing to just 30 minutes of running each day, you're giving your heart the workout it needs to stay strong and healthy. Let us talk about weight management next. Running is a great technique to burn calories and get rid of extra weight. Actually, depending on your pace and effort, a 30-minute run can burn anywhere from 200 to 600 calories. By incorporating running into your daily routine, you can create a calorie deficit that leads to sustainable weight loss and a leaner, healthier body. A word of caution: before making significant changes to your diet, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are on medication. If you like what you've seen thus far, please click the like and subscribe buttons and the bell notification. Thank you for viewing. Now let's shift our focus to the mind. Running has been shown to have powerful effects on mental well-being. When you run, your brain releases endorphins, also known as feel-good hormones, which can elevate your mood and reduce stress and anxiety. Running also increases self-esteem and gives you a sense of accomplishment, which makes you feel more self-assured and in control of your everyday life. Apart from the instant emotional lift, running has long-term advantages for mental well-being. Regular aerobic activity, such as running, has been shown in studies to enhance cognitive function and guard against the aging-related loss of memory and cognitive abilities. So by lacing up those running shoes each day, you're not only strengthening your body but also giving your brain a powerful workout. In conclusion, the benefits of running for just 30 minutes a day are truly remarkable. From improving cardiovascular health and managing weight to boosting mental well-being and enhancing cognitive function, running offers a holistic approach to health and fitness. So why wait? Grab those sneakers, head outside, and experience the transformative power of running for yourself. Your body and mind will thank you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on health, fitness, and overall well-being. Until next time, keep running towards your goals.